Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Marston, that's Zoom Tech guy. So today we're taking a look at this lavalier microphone from Green Audio. So let's get into it. If you're probably looking for maybe an affordable audio solution, I would recommend you to buy this. You can get this under $5 from China. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's get into it. But before you do that, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that like button. If you like the work that I do on this channel, please consider partnering with me on Patreon from as little as $3. You can help me improve the quality of videos on this channel. And on that note, help me thank my biggest Patreon, Tom Botkin. Thanks for the love, man. So let's get into it. At the front of the box, you can see the lav itself from Green Audio. On the side, it's written phone, tablet, notebook, computer, and camera. So these are the sort of things you can work with this audio. Now this audio is just a standalone audio. It doesn't come with the receiver or transmitter. At the back here, it's the type is a condenser, so it's a condenser microphone. Omnidirectional as well. Frequency from 20 hertz to 16 kilohertz. Sensitivity minus 30 dB plus, but we'll just test it in real world because these figures, they mean nothing. We'll see how this performs in the real world. Yeah, so let's get into it. All right. Okay. The first thing you see is a pouch. It looks like it's leather, but obviously it's faux leather. It's not real leather. Yeah, nice pouch. It's a good addition to add in the box. Let's just put that to the side, see what else is in here. Okay. All right, there's the lavalier mic itself, Green Audio Lav, and right off the bat, it has a bit of weight to it. Yeah. Okay, this is more like a guide, but a lavalier microphone, functions, features. So the package also comes with this extension from Green Audio as well. Oh, it's actually quite heavy. All right. Hey, this is a bit stiff. Okay. There's the lav itself. And it's wrapped in here. It says Green Audio, this tape. Let's see if I can just remove it. Okay, just put that there. Okay, now this cable is 1.5 meters long, which means it will probably work in most scenarios. And the tips, you can see the tips. These are gold tips, which is good. It means it's usually associated with good quality audio products. Let's see also if you can remove this wind thingy right here. All right, there's the mic. Now it has a bit of weight to it. You can see that this is actually metallic. There's a metallic build. It looks like it's a very good product, especially for under $5. But we'll see how good it sounds. Like I said, the cable is 1.5 meters long. It's from a company called Green Audio. It's a Chinese company, you know. It's especially these days, it seems like the quality of products from China have improved greatly. But let's see if this sounds better as well. Let's see if it sounds good. All right, so now the audio is coming from the lav microphone. It's like what can I say? It's maybe just 10 centimeters away from my mouth. Let me know what you think of the quality. Is it good? Is it good enough? And comparing to the audio that when I was using the Rode Video Micro, is it good enough? Let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, so remember this product, once again, it's under $5. Under $5, and I'll leave a link to it in the description if you're looking for something like this. Otherwise, yeah, that's been it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Now let me know, will you probably invest in one like this, in the Green Audio Lavalier microphone? Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, this is Marston, the Zim Tech guy. See you in the next video.